Do you feel sluggish with your body? Do you feel lazy and inactive? Do you often get headaches? Does your belly feel swollen at times with acute and chronic pain? If so, these are the symptoms of the irritable bowel syndrome, a chronic and common condition that affects the large intestine, the colon, and causes contraction and swelling of the abdomen, as well as a change in the pattern of movement of the intestinal cavity. And it can affect anyone at any age. And its symptoms vary among those who suffer from it. They are classified as functional gastrointestinal disorders. If you are using medications for this disease and not seem to be feeling any better, do not worry. We've got the ultimate solution for you. Try this magic drink on a daily basis, and you'll completely get rid of colon pain and stomach bloating as if you've never had it before. And most importantly, you will get a clean and toxin-free body. This is a natural drink that has no side effects at all. If you keep drinking it regularly, you will notice that your body has become healthier and you've become more active in general. Here is the optimal healthy method which will keep you away from any damage. The main ingredient is the dill plant, which is an annual self-seeding plant with feathery green leaves. Take a bundle of its leaves and wash them and then leave it to dry. After that, make sure you've taken enough for 3 or 4 days and chop it up into little pieces. And you can store some in the fridge for later use. Then put it in the blender and add 2 glasses of water and keep the blender turned on till they get mixed very well. You have the option to grind the dill grass first and then add water to get a smooth and cohesive texture. Then drink it without filtering it to get its full benefit. But if you cannot use it this way, you can filter it. You should avoid white sugar, but you can use white honey or honeybee as alternatives by adding 1 or 2 tablespoons as desired. But you should stay away from white sugar because it really adds to the colon problems and causes bulges in the stomach. And by using it, you actually miss out on the usefulness of the recipe, or at least lose many of its benefits. If you want, you can put this drink in the fridge to drink it cold or iced. Drink it twice a day and you will feel better in just 3 days. You will notice that the pain is significantly reduced and the stomach has become clean and bloating free. Not to mention that it facilitates digestion and helps the digestive system in general. During the days of consuming this drink, we recommend eating vegetables, especially leafy vegetables such as parsley, coriander, and dill itself, or any of the foods that contain fibers because they play a major role in helping in the process of digestion. We also recommend having a cup of yogurt before going to sleep and add half a tablespoon of ground flaxseed in yogurt. Now, follow this lead. You will absolutely appreciate this. In the end, we would like to remind you of hitting the like button and the subscribes so that you always stay tuned. And if there is someone you care about, share this video with him. Peace.